Okay, for this episode, this is kind of a backup to the backup. I lost the video of when I converted the master cylinder from that single pot to the dual master cylinder. Kind of lost it in my computer, so if I find it, I'll release that. But just in case, this is going to be a quick walkthrough of what I did. So the single pot master cylinder is gone. As you can see, the adapter plate, I explained all of this in the video that I lost. Hopefully I can get it back. It's in my computer somewhere. This black plate bolted to the firewall to convert the 4-bolt master cylinder to a 2-bolt master cylinder. I mean 2 bolts mounted to the vehicle. Of course, it's got the plastic reservoir with the aluminum body. The front compartment is for the front brakes. No, it's for the back brakes. And the rear compartment is for the front brakes. So what I did was I assembled the lines. I put the proportioning valve on there and I ran it down. Connected it to the wall. So just quickly, the seat was removed to help get to the bolts on the inside of the firewall. You don't have to, because I had a 65 Coronet and I did not take out the front seat, but I did have a harder time. So what I took out was this bolt that's running sideways, left to right. I think it leaves 11/16 on this side and a 3/4 on that side. And the rod came out. The master cylinder rod goes in the back of the master cylinder. But I had to take out these 4 bolts. It's 4 on each side, 2 on each side, sorry, a total of 4. And those were 1/2 inch. So these are the bolts here. This is the lower bolt, and there's one above it. Both sides, you won't be able to see that side. Once you unbolted that, the old master cylinder just came out. I had previously loosened and removed all of the lines. So this is what was here. The single pot master cylinder. There we go. And the 4 bolts. So that's out now. The dual master cylinder is in. And that is it for this episode. Next one is going to be, I think we're putting the motor in today, I'm not sure. Stay tuned.